today we're at Turnin Concepts. We got Corbin Johnson in the car. He just finished up the 93 map. It put down 355. 355 on 93 octane, just from the ETS front mount intercooler and the BRZ manifold. That is insane, man. I cannot wait for ethanol. Corbin just put ethanol in the car now. He's adjusting the map for that. So he's gonna do a couple pulls. We'll get a couple pulls of the car in ethanol, and then we'll check out the map afterwards. But oh my gosh, 355 on 93, come on. So we made 414 on ethanol. We're gonna leave it there. Like I've said numerous times, the block's got like 75,000 miles on it. So to keep it together, that's where we're keeping it, right, Corbin?
That's right. How long have we been tuning this car now? It's been a few years, right?
Yeah. So this is like its third Protune, and we've tuned it since 9,000 miles.
Yeah.
Like it's
a testament, for sure.
Yeah, man.
Liability speed.
Well, not only that, but I think like a lot of it's the tune, man. Like the way you tune them is just.
Yeah. I mean, we could obviously make more power.
Yeah.
We're not pushing this setup at all at this power level, but it's mainly, tuned with the nature of the car in mind. 75,000 miles in the original motor. You drive it a lot, obviously.
Yeah.
No need to push it.
I actually have a track day coming up too, so.
Yeah. We'll put you a track map on there as well.
Awesome, man. I can't thank you enough for like just tuning my car over the years. Like it's 75,000 miles, and I couldn't be happier. Awesome.